Hey there, it's Barbara Casey from Mobile High Five. I just wanted to post this real quick video. I get this question so often. I just want to scream. Um, the mobile channel, the SMS text channel, has about 1% spam. It's a very, very low amount of spam. The question that I keep getting is, how do I keep from annoying my customers? I don't like getting text. I don't want to annoy my customers. And I want to just say that if you're running a legally compliant program, it's impossible to annoy your customers. Why? Because they have to provide explicit written permission to opt into your program. So they are actually literally saying, send me information about your business via this channel. They want to hear from you this way. So get over yourself. If you don't like text, then you're not going to sign up for these programs. But I have to tell you, hundreds of billions of people worldwide are signing up for these texts because it's a very low spam channel. It's quick and easy to read a text. They don't have to delete anything from their email, and it just works. So get over yourself. There's no way to annoy your customer. Hope this helps. Reach out to us if you want any help. We are strategists in the mobile marketing space, and we have really customized program design to help you build a program that actually works for you. So don't be shy. Contact me today.